This time of year, I always have an open jug of apple cider waiting to either drink or be transformed, and that's how this barbecue sauce came about. Homemade barbecue sauce is easy to make, easy to gift for the foodie in your life, and begs to be slathered on just about anything. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 1.5 cups of apple cider, 1 cup of low sodium or no salt ketchup, I just like to control the sodium for this, and give it a stir. Then add 1/3 cup of molasses, 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar, and break it up and give it a stir. Add 1 tablespoon of hickory liquid smoke, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and for a little heat, 1 teaspoon of Berbere. Give it all a good stir to incorporate and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Give it a taste and adjust your spices. I added about a teaspoon of garlic powder and stirred it in and let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. When the sauce coats the back of your spoon, it's ready to go. Pour into airtight containers for storage up to 7 to 10 days in the fridge. Or pour it into a ramekin and get ready to dip chicken fingers, fries, your own finger, whatever you like in it. Apple cider barbecue sauce is perfect for chicken, barbecue beef sandwiches, to brush over salmon, on pork chops, you name it. It has an amazing depth of flavor, and if you're already going to be in the kitchen, why not whip up your ideal barbecue sauce that you know all the ingredients? For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.